This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Chevy Malibu's Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is running and securely in park. Next, grab your smartphone and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, on your Malibu's infotainment display, locate and press the phone icon. This prepares your car to begin the pairing process with your mobile device, setting the stage for hands-free connectivity. Now, on your Malibu screen, you will see an option to pair device or add phone. Select it. Your car's system will then become discoverable. On your smartphone, open your Bluetooth settings and look for Chevy Malibu or a similar name for your vehicle. Tap on it. A unique code, usually 4 to 6 digits, will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these codes match, then accept the pairing on both devices. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is straightforward. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Malibu's infotainment system. If that doesn't work, delete the Malibu from your phone's paired devices list and vice versa. Then, attempt the pairing process again from the beginning. Also, ensure your phone's software is up to date, as older versions can sometimes cause compatibility problems with your vehicle's system. Once successfully paired, your Chevy Malibu's Bluetooth opens up a world of convenience. You can now make and receive phone calls completely hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Easily stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your car's speakers. You can also access your phone's contacts and messages right from the infotainment display, enhancing both safety and enjoyment during every drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.